In today's video, we will try to learn about the Tally Prime syllabus. For this Tally Prime, we have to learn 40 main chapters. For this, first of all, we have to learn the introduction chapter where we learn about create company, select company, delete company, shut company. Basics about the company, opening and closing about that. Then I will try to learn. I try to explain in our videos that is inventory management. Here we have learn about all the things stock group, stock category, all the things related to stock or our items. In our third chapter, we have try to learn accounts management where we learn about the ledger creation, voucher creation. We'll try to explain every single voucher, every single ledger, how to create that in our channel. In our fourth chapter, we learned data backup and recovery, how to take backup of a company in our Tally Prime and how to restore a company in our Tally Prime. That's it all about. And in our next chapter, which is chapter 5, where I will try to explain bill of material, where we try to learn about the process of create bill of material, invoice, roundup, etc. And then we try to learn about memoranda voucher, what is memoranda voucher, how to create that, how to convert that, how to make goods sent on approval entries, etc. In our seventh chapter, we learn about two order management. First one is purchase order management with step by step, and the second one is sales order management. There are four steps in every single order management. In our eighth chapter, we learned about cost center and cost category. Here we learned about the cost, how to enable cost center and cost category, how to put the cost center's name, how to make entries about that. In our ninth chapter, we tried to learn about budget and control, where we learn three main budget creation, which is group-wise budget creation, ledger-wise budget creation, cost center-wise budget creation, and then how to alter budget, how to delete a budget, and last of all, we learned about the control, how to make control on our debtors, on our credit sales. That is it. And now, in our next videos, we will try to explain when bank reconciliation statement and the procedure of making BRS. And in our next videos, we will also try to explain payroll accounting and main a vital chapter, which is goods and service tax, which is a GST, which is mandatory to learn in our Tally Prime. We will try to learn that. And the next is tax deducted and so TDS. We will learn it with practical examples and others, some few other things, how to make quotation, how to make pro forma invoice, how to create say point of sale, etc. We will try to learn about these all the things in our next video. You can learn all the chapters from here. You can pause our video and see all the chapters, and you get the picture of all the syllabus in our community guideline. Thank you for watching.